Imagine a world where artificial intelligence not only makes our life easier, but also contributes to preserving our environment. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, welcome to the intersection of AI and sustainable design. Here, the concept of smart engineering is transformed, where AI is not just a tool for efficiency, but a catalyst for sustainability. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize sustainable design by intelligently optimizing resources, drastically reducing waste, and promoting energy efficiency. Imagine buildings that self-regulate their energy use, industries that optimize their resource allocation, and cities that minimize their carbon footprint, all thanks to AI. This isn't a far-fetched concept. Today, AI technologies are already being used to create sustainable solutions across various industries. From optimizing energy consumption in data centers to smart farming practices, AI is increasingly becoming a game changer in the realm of sustainability. In fact, AI technologies are already being used to create sustainable solutions in various industries. Let's explore one such case study. Consider the construction industry, a sector notorious for its high environmental impact. But what if AI could change that? Enter Autodesk's Project Discover, a bright beacon in the realm of AI-driven tools that are reshaping the construction industry. This innovative tool harnesses the power of generative design, a process that leverages artificial intelligence to generate a multitude of design solutions. It's like having an army of architects at your fingertips, each proposing a unique design. But what sets Project Discover apart is its focus on sustainability. It is not just about creating visually appealing structures, but about designing buildings that are harmonious with both their immediate surroundings and the broader environment. How does it achieve this? By considering a range of factors in its design process. First, energy efficiency. Autodesk's AI tool meticulously analyzes each design for how well it utilizes natural light, how effectively it can be insulated, and how it can best incorporate renewable energy sources. In doing so, it ensures the proposed building is not just a marvel of architecture,